Getting back to KSRA3 weather, and we've got more rain and snow in our forecast for today. That's a live look out of the Stockton area this morning, where they are expecting more rain today, and with more snow expected in the Sierra. Chain controls remain in effect on Interstate 80. Our crews captured this video along Interstate 80 yesterday, daytime stuff. For now, the key to staying safe is taking it slow. But there is good news on the horizon for drivers, and that is snow will be letting up today.
Yes, it will, but I'll tell you what, if you were in the thick of it yesterday, I myself was in live tracker for our morning show and then got stuck for an hour as there was a spin out ahead of us there at Blue Canyon Road area. So yeah, conditions we knew yesterday were pretty bad, pretty treacherous, but what I can tell you on the bright side is that the winter storm warning that was up for pretty much a good chunk of the weekend has been degraded to a winter weather advisory. So what does that mean? Well, that shows that conditions are actually starting to improve, especially for areas of Greater Tahoe and Truckee Basin. So for today, some of the showers will linger through about the 10 o'clock time frame. Winds could still be occasionally gusty, 30+ miles per hour. The most difficult travel I expect will be likely in the morning as Caltrans gets a chance to get outside and clear out some of those conditions from the new snow that fell during the day yesterday. Here's a live look outside from Sutter Health Ballpark, and conditions are a little damp if you're traveling into the city. 32 right now in South Lake Tahoe, low 50s around the valley floor. And it's been a little bit breezy. Those winds picking up anywhere from 10 to about 15 miles per hour straight from the south to the north. We have south winds going at 14 right now in Placerville, 16 in Auburn, and you feel the breeze in Truckee along with that wind chill with those south winds at 18 miles per hour. Truckee still getting some very light snow at this point in the morning. Weather system is off the coast, and as it kind of ushers in this final pulse of moisture, we're definitely going to feel some of the impact of it in terms of these widely spread scattered showers. Here's 8 o'clock in the morning, if that's when you take the little ones back to school after a long holiday break, right? This is 8 o'clock in the morning. You've got some scattered showers here just around the northern Sacramento Valley. And then check out this. The best rain today is going to be happening along the coast and the coastal hills. But that doesn't mean that we can't roll out a passing shower even greeting the valley and even the foothills. And then by tomorrow morning, we're just going to be left with a few scattered clouds. And by tomorrow afternoon, things are greatly going to improve in terms of showing off partly sunny skies and drying out. Rainfall amounts won't be overly impressive today. 1/10 of an inch or less in most of the valley. Those heavier amounts here along the coast and in the foothills will squeeze out maybe 1/10 of an inch or less. The system continues pivoting to the south of us Tuesday and Wednesday. Another one drops into play as we get into Wednesday and Thursday. That may touch off a couple of snow showers, but looking ahead to next weekend, I do expect we're going to be drying out as that ridge of high pressure builds in. So finally, for a change in the 7-day forecast, foothills, Sierra and Valley, I don't anticipate any impact or alert days coming forward, just drying out mid to late week.